Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got another external monitor in. This one is a 13.3 inch 144 hertz refresh rate 2K monitor. This actually comes in a 13.3, a 15.6, and a 17.3. So in the same fashion as my other 15 inch, this one is actually pretty sweet because it's, for one, it's smaller. Here's all the cables and everything that I'll need. They give you everything in the box. I have my own external cables and stuff like that, but they supplied everything in the box, so nothing else is needed. So let's set that over there. You get some straps and everything to hold things in place. Obviously, you get a Type-C cable, and then you get some screws, and then you get a Type-C to Type-C. And then you get the ultimate. I don't have one of these. I needed one of these. Thank God for them sending this over for review, man. Type-C 3.1 hub. I don't have this particular kind. I have hubs, but I don't have that kind. And then this is the HDMI. Right here, the mini. There's a micro and there's a mini. This is the mini. So nearly every cable that you need is in this box for you to get started. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this powered on. Now remember with the other one, the other external monitor that I reviewed, it pretty much, you needed to have it powered at all times. And it would be nice if this one was not like that, but I'm thinking that it probably is. It just sits up like this. Should be, oh, okay, you got the little sticky part right here that you need to adhere to. Here we go. This right here needs to come off in order to have it stay on the back. Unlike the other one, this one is not magnetic. So this one goes on like this. You want to make sure you get this right, because it's on there, it's on there. Well, no, it comes on and off. All right, so you go. So this will sit up like this. So before we get into the monitor, this one is a little thick, but it is what it is. So you've got the HDMI, Type-C, Type-C, headphone jack. Then you got OTG, which is nice, and OTG 2. And then you've got your power and everything back here on the tablet. Let's see here. It's kind of covered. That's kind of lame right there. All right, so look. Like right off the rip, this is kind of lame. So this is power and plus and minus, and then X and menu. So it must be a sticker or something in this. I will hope it is something to you know, or it's on screen or something like that.